Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PlayCover on Mac. First, ensure your Mac has an Apple Silicon chip, like an M1 or M2, as PlayCover is designed for these processors. Next, navigate to the official PlayCover GitHub page to download the most recent stable release. Always download from the official source to ensure security and compatibility. Once downloaded, you're ready for the next step in setting up your iOS app experience. After downloading, simply drag the PlayCover application file into your Applications folder. Then, open PlayCover. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions, which are essential for it to function correctly. Take a moment to explore the settings, especially key mapping, which allows you to customize controls for your favorite games. This step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience when playing iOS apps on your Mac. To add apps, you'll need their IPA files. These are the installation packages for iOS applications. Once you have an IPA file, simply drag and drop it into the PlayCover window. PlayCover will then install the app for you. After installation, your new app will appear in PlayCover's library, ready to be launched with a simple click. Enjoy playing your favorite mobile games and using apps right on your Mac. If you encounter issues, first check for any available PlayCover updates, as these often include bug fixes and performance enhancements. Also, verify if the specific iOS app you're trying to run is known to be compatible. Sometimes, adjusting graphics settings within PlayCover can significantly improve performance. For more tips and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Remember, the PlayCover community forums are also a fantastic resource for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.